Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make roll paratha sauce. Start by gathering ripe tomatoes, plain yogurt, garlic, green chilies, coriander, and oil. Chop tomatoes and aromatics finely, then sauté garlic and chilies in oil until fragrant. Add tomatoes and simmer until soft, then blend smooth with yogurt and spices. Adjust salt, sugar, and lemon to taste for a balanced tangy sauce that pairs perfectly with warm parathas. Heat a pan and temper mustard seeds and cumin in oil until they crackle and scent fills the kitchen. Add chopped tomatoes and cook on medium until they break down and thicken, stirring often. Cool the mixture briefly, then transfer to a blender and puree until silky. Return sauce to low heat, stir in yogurt off the flame, and finish with lemon, salt, and fresh coriander for a bright, creamy roll paratha sauce. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They make standing at the stove much more comfortable and funny kitchen mishaps feel less serious. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Taste as you go and tweak flavors to suit your preferences. A pinch of sugar will tame sharp tomatoes, while lemon brightens the sauce. Consider adding roasted red pepper or smoked paprika for a gentle smoky depth that complements fried paratha dough. Always cool the tomato base slightly before blending and stir yogurt in off heat to prevent splitting. These small adjustments create a consistently smooth, flavorful sauce perfect for rolling into parathas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.